Next aspect of hand fighting and setups. So we want to talk about level change. And the reason we've brought it under this umbrella is it's a very important fundamental aspect of our offensive attack. Once we've hand fought to our control position and secured our individual style, we've secured our setup. It needs to be understood that when I come across here, if I want a wrist, that again, like we talked about at the very beginning, head position and changing elevation. Okay, but a key part of that is in my setup, what I'm doing when I change elevation is I'm setting my own feet and my own hips for the offensive attack. So if I'm wrestling here and I want an inside tie and I'm looking to shoot a high crotch, as I pull and move and get this leg stepping forward at the same time, I change elevation. I've set my feet and my hips low to explode, boom, to my offense. Very important that we understand this. A lot of times we make the mistake of we're wrestling, and maybe I get that leg forward, but now I'm really not in a position to most efficiently attack him. It may get to the leg. But that's not our goal. Okay, so we have to wrestle here, set our own feet and hips, boom, to explode into our offense. Whether it's high crotch, or maybe we shoot sweep singles. Here, when I get that leg forward, set my own feet and hips, so I'm ready to attack. Along with that, I have to pay particular attention, again, in adjusting my level. I'm beating, as I set my own feet and hips, I'm also beating my opponent's head and his hips. No matter what my technique, 98% of the time, I'm attacking his hips in some way, shape, or form. So again, on my sweep single, I come from an inside tie here, and I set him. I have to be here, I beat his elevation, my feet and hips are set, and as I attack, boom, I attack to beat his hips and come up through my technique. Very, very important fundamental to understand. We talk about doubling. Here, set my feet and hips, beat his elevation, boom. Now I beat his hips too. It's a very important piece of our wrestling that I think is overlooked. Okay? So I'm wrestling to where I belong. Here. I beat his elevation. I'm right to his hips. It's going to maximize my opportunity for success in whatever setup, whatever offensive attack that I use.